Hey guys, welcome to another video on roaming Venus. This is also about Animal Crossing New Horizons, and this time we are talking about the Bunny Day 2021. I'm pretty sure you must have seen Zipper running around on your islands, jumping around like the little rabbit that it is. So, there are a lot of things that await us on Bunny Day. There are going to be a lot of recipes, and to make all those recipes you are going to require certain kind of eggs. If you see, there are in total 6 different eggs, and as the bunny will already explain you, all these eggs are outside. So when you are looking for it, you don't need to look anywhere inside. He also gives you hint how you are going to find these eggs. So what 6 eggs are already there? So there is stone egg, there is earth egg, there is water egg, there is sky egg, there is leaf egg, and there is one more egg called wood egg. So in this video we are going to show you how you can get each and every one of them. The amount of eggs you will need to create each recipe depends what the recipe requires, but these eggs are essential for it. The recipes most probably will also be hiding somewhere that you will have to dig, or you will get them from balloons. So let's get right to it. First is stone egg that you will get from hitting a stone that you usually do, where you in general get stone or iron. This time you will also get an egg. Then comes the leaf egg, and they are on your tree just like all your fruits, so they are the easiest to spot. For example, you see here on the tree you see 3 eggs already. You just need to shake the tree and you have your leaf egg. I'm not sure if it comes back again in 3 days just like the other fruits, but we will see. Then next one is earth egg. Here you just have to dig up like you do for fossils, and rather than fossil it will be another egg. Next is sky egg. These will be present mostly in the balloons, so look out for the balloons when they are flying, and if it is a sky egg then the balloon is in shape of an egg. Next one is wood egg. There you have to try your luck. You have to chop the wood, and if you are lucky you will get the egg rather than a wood. So that's why it's also called wood egg. So now we are closing up to our last and final ones, and that is the water egg. That is the most difficult one to find because it only appears between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and you have to look in a river. So don't go in the ocean, just look in the river, a medium-sized fish, and it might be an egg. So that was the last one. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.